Okay, this is the Timelink model 88141 loud digital LED alarm clock. This is a loud and soft alarm settings. Easy to read, top mounted setting controls. I'm going to show you right there in Chrome. There's only a few buttons. Nice snooze bar. Okay, it's electric AC powered with a 1AA battery backup. You're going to hear the alarm go off in just a moment. I like the style of this clock. I like how it has a little grill right here for the speaker. Very cool. In a moment, you'll hear the alarm. Now that is one loud alarm. Now I'm going to set it on soft. There's the soft side of it right there. And it is ascending. You did hear that. Love this little clock. Quality by Timelink.